Hydraulic quick-release couplers are wide in demand in all type of industrial demands, as they give instant connection, disconnection when required with hardly any leakage or wastage. Pictures show various type of coupling, so you can choose right coupler according to pressure, temperature, size, and media. Techno Industrial Products offers Kze E-Series couplers that can take pressure up to 700 bar. These couplers are widely used in marine ship drive, high-pressure hoses of machine, high-quality demanding machines with high pressure, and much more what you can think. These couplers are your excellent partner if you need high-pressure hoses to be connect and disconnect at your convenience. They have male x female NPT threads to suit customer needs, and all couplers are randomly tested with their max pressure taking capacity, which is also shown in chart.